Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the controlling force diagram. So in the question there are two statements. We have to select which one is the correct option. Okay. First statement is saying that the condition of the stability of the governor required that the slope of the controlling force curve should be less than that of line, representing the centripetal force at the equilibrium speed under consideration. It is saying that for the stability, the slope of the controlling force should be less than that of slope of the speed line. Is it true? No, this is not true, because we know that for the stability the slope of the controlling force is more than the slope of the speed line. So that's why this is the wrong statement. This is condition for instability. In the second statement, it is saying that for centrifugal governor, when the load on the prime mover drops suddenly, the sleeve should at once reach the lowest position. This is not correct. You already know that when there is a load increases on the engine, there will be a decrease in the speed of the governor. That means sleeve will move in the downward directions, okay, and it will reaches to the bottommost position, okay. But as there is a load on the engine decreases, the speed of the governor will increase and the sleeve will move in the topmost position. So in the question it is saying when the load on the prime mover drop means load decreases. As the load decreases on the engine, there will be a speed of the governor. Speed of the governor will increase and the sleeve will touch topmost position. Topmost position. Okay. So this is also wrong statement. So both are incorrect statements. So option D would be the correct answer. Okay.